OpenAI set to release autonomous AI agent operator in January.
OpenAI plans to launch an AI agent named Operator in January that can perform tasks on behalf of users, including coding and travel bookings. The release will include a research preview and will be accessible through an application programming interface, API. In addition to Operator, OpenAI is developing a browser tool that can execute online tasks and is nearing completion. Microsoft recently announced that its Copilot AI users can create their own autonomous agents that act on their behalf within Copilot Studio.
OpenAI set to launch autonomous AI agent in January.
OpenAI is ready to introduce an autonomous AI agent named Operator that can perform tasks independently on computers. The agent will first be available as a research preview and developer tool starting in January. This launch comes amid increasing competition in the AI field, with rivals like Anthropic and Google also releasing their own AI capabilities. OpenAI executives suggest that the development of autonomous agents is seen as the next big breakthrough in AI technology.
AI firms face challenges in developing advanced models.
OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic are encountering difficulties in advancing their AI models, with many recent projects underperforming expectations and showing diminishing returns on investment. OpenAI's latest model, Orion, has failed to achieve the desired performance levels, particularly in coding tasks, and both Google and Anthropic are also experiencing delays in their model releases due to inadequate training data and rising costs. The companies are shifting focus from merely increasing model size to refining use cases, including developing AI agents for practical tasks, as they confront the realities of sustaining innovation in AI technology.
YouTube introduces AI-driven song remixing feature.
YouTube is expanding its AI capabilities by allowing selected creators to remix songs using a new Restyle a Track feature within its DreamTrack toolset. Creators can alter the genre or mood of a song by entering their vision into a prompt, generating a 30-second remix snippet that maintains the essence of the original vocals and lyrics. These remixes will be credited to the original artists, and YouTube has committed to compensating rights holders for the use of their music in these AI-generated features.
Google integrates AI search into Nest cameras.
Google is enhancing its Nest cameras with a new AI-powered search feature called Gemini, which provides detailed descriptions of captured moments using image recognition technology. This feature allows Nest Aware Plus subscribers to search their camera footage by asking specific questions or using keywords to find relevant clips more efficiently. Gemini also empowers users to set automations based on detected images, improving interaction with Google Assistant for tasks like reminders about household activities.
Google unveils interactive AI learning tool.
Google has introduced an experimental AI tool called Learnabout, aimed at making the exploration of educational topics more engaging and interactive. Utilizing the LearnLM AI model, this tool provides interactive guides, summaries, and links to relevant media, catering to various learning styles. Unlike traditional chatbots, Learnabout emphasizes engaging formats such as timelines and quizzes, enhancing the educational experience.
NVIDIA Blackwell achieves significant milestones in AI training performance.
NVIDIA's Blackwell platform has demonstrated up to 2.2 times the performance per GPU in the MLPerf Training 4.1 benchmarks compared to its predecessor Hopper, especially in LLM training tasks. This new architecture features optimized tensor cores, enabling the execution of the GPT-3 175B benchmark with just 64 GPUs, whereas 256 GPUs were required for Hopper. NVIDIA is also shifting focus towards enhancing inference capabilities, driven by the increasing demand for real-time chatbots and advanced reasoning models.
Anthropic CEO discusses AI scaling and future challenges.
Anthropic CEO Dario Amodei recently stated that scaling AI models is still a viable approach to enhance their capabilities, suggesting that increasing compute and model size is essential for progress. While Amode anticipates rising costs associated with AI compute, he believes developers will overcome data limitations through synthetic data generation and extrapolation. He predicts that a super-intelligent AI could emerge by 2026 or 2027, expressing concerns about the concentration of power and economic implications of such advancements.
Understanding AI welfare and potential consciousness.
Researchers are exploring whether artificial intelligence could develop feelings like boredom or pain, raising questions about the ethical implications of AI welfare as companies strive to create more intelligent systems. A recent report from Ilios AI discusses the possibility that some AI systems may become conscious or agentic, highlighting the uncertainty regarding AI's moral status and the need for more oversight in AI development. Experts, including David Chalmers and Anil Seth, agree that while real AI consciousness might be unlikely, it is a risk that could lead to significant ethical concerns and potential suffering if such systems were ever to become conscious.
François Chollet's impact on AI and Keras development.
François Chollet, the creator of Keras, is leaving Google to pursue new opportunities while continuing his contributions to the project. Keras has over 2 million users and plays a vital role in AI development, influencing applications such as autonomous vehicles and streaming services. Google is committed to Keras 3 and has introduced Keras Hub to enhance accessibility and support for AI development across various frameworks.
AI approaches to mitigating tournament cheating.
Research explores tournament rules that leverage algorithms to deter cheating, particularly through collusion where teams might intentionally lose to help others advance. Efforts to create rules that ensure no incentives for collusion reveal the mathematical complexity, showing no design can meet all fairness criteria simultaneously. New models involve analyzing team behavior and adjusting rules based on selfishness, revealing strategies that could reduce manipulation in tournament outcomes.
Advancements in ionospheric mapping through Android technology.
Using aggregated data from millions of Android phones, researchers can now create highly accurate maps of the ionosphere, which is crucial for improving GPS location accuracy. This innovative approach maintains user privacy by ensuring that no individual device is identifiable while capturing significant ionospheric features in regions with sparse traditional monitoring. The findings not only enhance navigation accuracy, but also provide vital insights into ionospheric dynamics during solar storms, potentially aiding in societal preparedness against disruptions.
SoftBank secures NVIDIA's Blackwell AI chips for supercomputer development.
NVIDIA's new Blackwell AI chips have been secured by SoftBank Group, making it the first customer to utilize this technology in its supercomputing efforts in Japan. The collaboration will result in the creation of a powerful AI supercomputer using NVIDIA's DGX B200 systems and is aimed at enhancing SoftBank's generative AI initiatives. SoftBank also plans to develop an additional supercomputer based on NVIDIA's Grace Blackwell platform to handle highly demanding computational tasks.
SoftBank to build AI supercomputer with NVIDIA chips.
SoftBank Group Corp will create Japan's first supercomputer using NVIDIA's new Blackwell chips, showcasing its commitment to advancing AI technology. The supercomputer, based on NVIDIA's DGX B200 product, will enhance a variety of local services and is set to be the most powerful in Japan. Additionally, SoftBank plans to implement AI radio access networks that will transform its communications infrastructure into an AI-driven network.
Integrating ChatGPT as your main search tool in Chrome.
ChatGPT search enhances productivity by combining AI chat capabilities with real-time internet access, making it a more effective search engine than traditional options like Google. To set ChatGPT Search as your default search engine, simply install the free Chrome extension available on the Chrome Web Store or through your ChatGPT profile. The extension allows users to engage in more conversational queries, making it ideal for research, while still enabling the option to switch back to Google for shopping-related searches.
OpenAI readies launch of new AI task automation tool.
OpenAI is set to introduce a new AI agent known as Operator in January, which will automate tasks like coding and travel bookings for users. This tool will be available as a research preview and via API for developers, aiming to streamline multi-step tasks with minimal user input. The push towards agent-based AI aligns with similar initiatives from competitors, indicating a significant trend in task automation across the tech industry.
Greg Brockman returns to OpenAI after sabbatical amid executive changes.
Greg Brockman has rejoined OpenAI following a 3-month sabbatical, during which he planned a new role to tackle technical challenges alongside CEO Sam Altman. His return comes after notable executive departures from the company, including former CTO Mira Murati and co-founder Ilya Sutskever, who is now leading a new AI startup. With Brockman's return, he becomes one of the few remaining co-founders at OpenAI, which has seen a significant turnover in its leadership team.
Apple introduces AI features in Final Cut Pro 11.
Final Cut Pro 11 has launched, featuring AI-driven tools such as Magnetic Mask for easy object cropping and transcribed captions, utilizing an in-house large language model for automatic caption generation. The update also supports editing of spatial video footage captured on compatible devices, enhancing Apple's commitment to integrate AI in video production.
New AI remix feature for YouTube Shorts creators.
YouTube has introduced a new feature for its AI tool, Dream Track, allowing creators to remix existing songs into 30-second versions for shorts. Participants can customize their remixes by specifying the desired genre or mood, while the produced tracks still reflect the essence of the original song.
Nuclear energy startups gaining tech giants' attention.
Amazon and Google are investing in nuclear energy projects to support the rising energy needs of artificial intelligence, focusing on small modular reactors that are quicker to construct and closer to energy grids. Startups like Oklo, Kairos Power, X-Energy, TerraPower, and Seaborg Technologies are at the forefront of this shift, developing innovative reactor designs and sustainable energy solutions that aim to meet future energy demands.
Efficiently deploying LLMs with VLLM and data flow.
Using the VLLM library for large language model inference boosts efficiency through continuous batching, allowing dynamic updates to batches and improved throughput by 2 to 4 times compared to traditional methods. Dataflow's Model Manager simplifies the deployment of VLLM in pipelines, enabling users to set up a high-performance inference process with minimal code and better resource management.
Greg Brockman returns to OpenAI amid leadership changes.
OpenAI co-founder Greg Brockman has returned to his position after a 3-month break, focusing on the company's major technical challenges alongside CEO Sam Altman. His comeback is significant amid recent departures at OpenAI, including key figures like lead researcher Ilya Sutskever and CTO Mira Murati.
OpenAI plans release of new AI agent tools soon.
OpenAI is expected to launch a new tool called Operator in January, which can perform tasks directly on a user's computer. This tool will compete with similar offerings from Anthropic and Google, but its specific capabilities remain unclear.
Concerns over human-level AI rise as Anthropic CEO warns of potential dangers.
Anthropic CEO Dario Amodei warns that human-level AI could emerge within 3 years, raising significant ethical concerns about its potential for catastrophic misuse if not aligned properly. He emphasizes that advanced AI models may not share the social and moral constraints of humans, which could lead to harmful actions if manipulated by malicious actors.
SoftBank's strategic $500 million investment in OpenAI.
SoftBank recently invested $500 million in OpenAI, valuing the AI company at $157 billion and acknowledging its transition to a for-profit model with a projected revenue of $3.7 billion this year. Despite facing challenges with capital expenditures for developing advanced AI models, SoftBank sees potential in OpenAI's partnership with Microsoft and aims to explore investments in other disruptive AI firms.
Cathie Wood's ARK Venture Fund targets AI investments.
Cathie Wood's ARK Venture Fund has invested heavily in AI, including notable companies like OpenAI and Elon Musk's xAI, aiming to create a leading venture capital fund accessible to all investors. In October, the fund injected at least $250 million into OpenAI, which raised the company's valuation to $157 billion, although ARK's overall investment in OpenAI constitutes only 5% of its portfolio.
Understanding ChatGPT, the leading AI chatbot's new features.
ChatGPT is an advanced AI chatbot known for its human-like conversational skills, capable of tasks ranging from writing essays to coding and creating lists. Recent updates include the introduction of GPT-4o, a more advanced model that enhances response accuracy and can generate images with DALL-E 3, while OpenAI has also unveiled a feature called ChatGPT Search for accessing up-to-date information directly within the chatbot.
FPT expands AI infrastructure in Japan.
FPT Corporation plans to establish an AI data center in Japan with a $200 million investment starting operation in January 2025, aiming to meet increasing AI demand. The company is also exploring joint ventures in AI and semiconductors with established firms in Japan, while anticipating a significant growth in its workforce and revenue in the region.